Guys, welcome to back my channel. If you want to learn English language, then this video for you. If you want to become a natural speaker, if you want to become a fluent speaker, then this video for you. Don't escape. If you escape, so this is a loss for you, not for me. Today I will relate your life with my life. What type of problem we have to face as being a learner of English language. Before going to your life, I first of all I also want to share with you my life. What is going on? What is the situation of my life? Why am I depressed? The reason only one means I am I have a desire. I have a emotion. I have a dream to become a fluent speaker. But for becoming a fluent speaker, what type of craziness I should have? Really, I have that type of craziness in my life? My answer is no. Because you also see the lover. And when they have a love, attraction, or emotion towards some girls, they don't have a sleep, they don't have an interest in food, they don't have an interest anywhere. Always they want to talk with them, always they want to stay with them. It is the emotion of love. But when we have a desire to become a fluent speaker, when we have a dream to become a learner of English language, so now we can compare ourselves. Where am I? Am I really crazy that type? Every time am I thinking about improving? Every time have I emotion or thoughts in my mind about learn? Actually, what do I learn? What I am saying, am I know? Can I describe these things in my word? What am I eating? Can I audible to describe these things in my word? This type of things we need. But we have a dream, we have an emotion, but we are not taking these things very excitedly. We have a dream, but when is the turn of action? Where is the turn of taking work? So we are not doing. So when we are not doing, when we are not practicing, when we are not learning something new, so from where we will become a fluent speaker? Where we are 3 months ago, today also we are in the same place. When we will not upgrade, when we will not learn something new, when we will not try to upgrade ourselves, so nothing will be changed. We have to bring change. We have to bring some quality in our work. Then we will find result. Without learning, without become proper of these things, how we have a expect of good result? It is just a one kind of dream. Never this dream will be continued. So first of all, when you have a desire, so then you can start your life from basic, means become, ask to yourself, where am I, what am I doing, and what am I looking? What is the English of that? What is the reality? What is the real word or vocab for these things? So when you will take these things as like, so automatically you will upgrade and you will learn something. Is the last day of my life where I am talking with you without preparation, because I will give my all effort, I will give my all things to become fluent to learning something.